Alright, so I've been seeing these videos on TikTok and hindi naman to first time. I've seen it even before I became an interviewer. And ang masasabi ko lang talaga, magtatagalog na rin ako, mag-English din ako in some parts of this video. Pero ang punto ko, you think you're smart and you think you are cheating the system or the interview. No, you're cheating yourself, buddy. Kasi ganito yan. Yes, it is true naman sa ibang depende sa account or depende sa ano mo, minsan hindi naman voice, minsan non-voice yung handle mo. And there are moments wherein you have a script. But then again, even if you do have a spiel, even if you do have a script, I would still really suggest mag-practice ka. Prepare. Enhance your skills. Hindi yung gagamit ka ng AI. Sadly, ever since the AI, ever since the ChatGPT or Gemini or whatsoever AI, nag-bloom o naimbento, marami nang gumagamit nun, exploiting it, doing jobs using it. Using it as a tool is not bad in itself, but if you are 100% relying on it, then that's bad. Diba? Interview na nga lang, mag-AI ka pa, locked in or whatsoever AI yan. You're cheating yourself, buddy. You don't have the skills. You're reading. Even if you are able to go to the point na you don't sound like reading, lagi kang aasa sa ChatGPT, lagi kang aasa sa AI. And that will be bad because not in all scenarios you will have that, 'di ba? Kaya nakakalungkot yung mga daming graduate nung pandemic times na for the sake of just because pandemic, pinagraduate na lang sila and then pagdating sa trabaho, hindi sila makaland ng job or even let's just say nakaland sila ng job but hirap sila dahil they've relied too much on AI and that is bad, right? There's no practical talaga, iba talaga yung online sa face to face and so on and so forth. I'm not saying this to condemn them or not saying this to badmouth them. But I'm just saying, lalo na if you're going in the BPO industry or VA, lalo na kung voice accounts, practice, enhance. Iba pa rin yung practical kaysa nag-cheat ka using AI. Right? Yes, there might be scripts. Yes, you might read depending on the account. But you need to sound as if you're not reading. And even if mabot sa puntong gano'n na, okay, sige, yun pala kailangan ko eh. Kailangan ko lang pala magbasa ng hindi halata eh. If you're still using AI and you're still cheating, aabot yung time. Ako na magsasabi sa'yo, mahirapan ka sa mga calls, mahirapan ka sa mga interviews. Kasi aabot sa punto na the AI cannot help you out. And kakabahan ka nila, magpapanik ka. Iba pa rin talaga yung na-build mo yung confidence mo because of the skill. You build your skill and you have that. Kasi you're just simply relying on AI. And I'm saying this in the side of the interviewer. Kung, alam mo yun, nasasayangan ako personally minsan sa mga potential nyo. Kasi may potential naman kayo eh. It's just that you're relying too much on AI to the point na interview. You could have prepared. In a virtual interview, mas magandang prepared ka. Hindi lang sa pananamit mo, but even dun sa lugar kung nasaan ka, hindi yung may manok sa, hindi na natin maalis yan, minsan nandyan na yan, pero you at least tried your best to prepare. Makahanap ng room na tahimik, you have your headset, you have your earbuds, you try to check if maririnig ka ng interviewer. Hindi yung ha kayo ng ha ng ha ng ha during interview. Lalo na kapag yung interviewer mo ay hindi Pinoy. Kasi kung Pinoy, okay pa, medyo maano pa yan eh. Depende pa yan. Minsan may pagkalingin pa yan. Pero kung Amerikano, they don't care. Especially if racist yung interviewer mo. You will hear words, buddy. So, yun lang. Please, don't use AI. Ito, alam ko, anong pake mo eh, kasi nag-interview kami, ikaw na magaling. No, buddy. You're cheating yourself. You're, binabansot mo yung sarili mo mag-grow. Diba? And it's just me being a kuya here na mas maganda mag-practice ka, mas maganda maghanda ka kasi yung skill na inahanda mo, tinitraining mo, tini-enhance mo, magagamit mo yan kahit hindi ka pumasa sa isa pa na interview. At least, nag-grow ka and magagamit mo yan sa next. Kaysa yun ang daraya ka at hindi ka nag-i-improve sa buhay. Diba? Ano pa ba? Yun lang naman, prepare, pananamit, space, lugar, skills, lalo kung alam mong VA or BPO, and even if they don't ask any experience, it's better that you're able to speak in proper English, pronunciations, grammar, phrasing, and conversationality, vocabulary as well. Because we Filipinos have the tendency to really misuse words. So better to know the definition of the words you're using. Diba? Yun lang naman. Kasi honestly speaking, kung pwede lang ipasa lahat, ipapasa lahat eh. Kasi kailangan natin lahat ng trabaho. Pero again, may mga kriteria kasi talaga. And we need to check things. Yun lang naman. Practice. Enhance your skills. Do not be disheartened if you fail. That's normal. Prepare na hindi ka kabado masyado. Kasi minsan, andun yung skills mo pero dahil sa sobrang kabado ka, sayang. Diba? You need to be able to control your nervousness and it's not easy. But you need to. So that you'll be able to answer calls properly and also interview properly as well. Yun lang naman. I hope this helps. I really hope this helps.